how to find recently watched videos on TikTok. So with a lot of apps, TikTok has history that you can go through and see what you recently watched. So go ahead to TikTok and go to your profile at the bottom right-hand corner, and then go to the three bars at the top right corner. From here, you want to go to settings and privacy. And then here, it doesn't take you too long. It's right under content and display. You're going to want to go to activity center. And then from here, you want to go to watch history at the very top. So this is going to give you an idea of what you're watching and its most recent videos here. So you'll be able to go through. You can go ahead and filter by date, yesterday or the date, go ahead and make your custom date ranges just to give you an idea of what videos you're watching, or older videos or new videos. And that's it. This is a good spot to rewatch something if you want to watch the same reel. And that's it. That's how you would go about finding recently watched videos on TikTok.